Hey guys, I made a video when I first got my griddle on how to clean it, and it's been a little over 2 years now that I've had this thing, maybe a year and a half. I've learned some things, and through trial and error, I'd like to share with you how I clean my griddle now. So, how to clean your griddle 2.0. Let's see it. Alright guys, so I just finished to cook. The griddle's all nice and dirty as you can see here. Bacon grease, charred vegetables. I purchased this scraper off Amazon a little over a year ago. It's been great. Let me show you how I use it. You want to start off with some water while the griddle's on low. Everything's on low, and you're going to soak it real good. Steam's going to wash everything up to the surface, and you gently scrape, get all the debris off. Scrape everything to the back. I'm going to get a little bit more. There's still a little bit on there. Alright, now everything's at the back. You can use your small scraper. Come on, scoop everything into the drain. Now that you got almost everything off, you're going to take these towels. I got a pack of towels off Amazon. I use them once and then I wash them, use them again. This one's nice and stained, but it's clean. So you're going to want to take your tongs, wrap it up, get your water on your rag and on your griddle top again. Use this. Go over the griddle top to get any remaining debris off. Get it nice and clean. Nice and clean. Lots of steam. Fold it over, get the vent, or the drain, sorry. Make sure you get in all the corners real good. And it should look just like that. You want to give it just a second to be fully dry. It's nice and hot still, so it's not a problem. Then you're going to want to take a single paper towel, fold it over, and do a thin coat of oil on the top. Spray your oil. Thin coat. You don't want this too thick. You want it thin. If it looks too thick, wipe away the excess. Thick oil is what gets you in trouble later down the road with the flaking. So get a nice thin coat all over your griddle surface. You can turn your burners off. And that's it. Let everything cool down. If you see any excess oil that needs to come off, be sure to wipe it off. And that's it. Our griddle's nice and clean. Another tip I can give you is save your ketchup bottles. You can put your oil in this, and it is a leak-proof bottle that you can squirt your oil out of. So, very valuable tip. So So that's how I clean my griddle 2.0. Hopefully it helps somebody. It helps me. I've had to re-season once, and since then I've been using this method, and everything's been great. So thank you, and I hope I taught you something valuable.